All right, just playing around before all the guys get here, getting my opening shots, going to and from the camera, so I'll be right back. All right, now the guys should be here any minute, so let's get ready. Alright, so today's Wednesday after work. I'm waiting for the guys. I'm just doing a little stretch of we're at Horseshoe Lake today. And all morning we got rain back at home. And this is an hour north of home. They didn't get any of it, so I'm kind of disappointed. I thought we were going to have some nice hero dirt, but I guess not. It's really dry. I don't think they got any of this. But anyways, I'm sure the farther we go back into the woods, we'll get more colorful. But as I said on last week's video, it's been so warm and we're so far behind as far as the weather turning here in Michigan. It's not really the colors you would expect right now. So I'm going to turn around. We'll just go back to the parking lot, and there's a little bit of color behind me. So all right, here we go. Big group. And we are on Horseshoe. Wow. So what was crazy is I live an hour south, and at home we had pouring rain about 6 to 8 hours all the way up until probably 10 this morning. And unfortunately they didn't get any of it here. I was really hoping for some, but a little dusty, but I don't know, maybe we'll see some good fall colors. All right, guys, so we're on Horseshoe Lake. I always like to meet everybody I'm with. So this is Mark Roth. Mark Roth, yep. Nice to meet you. We actually work for the same company. Yes. Super fast guy. What's your name?
Dewind.
What is it?
Daryl Dewind.
Daryl Dewind, nice to meet you. We all know Auden, yeah, Michigan Rips.
Ladders. Dave Horn.
Dave Horn?
Yep.
You work at Gentex too?
No.
Or? No?
One of the few? These guys a few weeks ago.
Nice.
They invited me along.
Nice bike.
So,
what year is it?
96.
96. 250?
Yep.
Nice. I should probably ride behind you so I can
all over the winter and
smell the clots. You running clots?
Yep.
Nice.
Good nose.
We all know Hulk Smash Olsen.
Yes.
Yep.
But yeah, so anyways, guys, this is my first time riding Horseshoe in a couple years, so, and it's actually pretty prime. Once we got out into the woods, the dirt is really good, and the leaves aren't nowhere near as bad as I thought, because this year
we got somebody to sweep them.
Yeah, actually that's true. But I mean, our fall has been so weird that normally by now you can't even see the trail.
Right.
And we got perfect conditions, so still waiting on a few others, and yeah, we'll get back at it. And Mark is gone. Yeah, we actually had 3 more guys behind us, but we got a really late start today, so we have to keep going, unfortunately. Alright, so I'm going to jump in here real quick, give you a quick little lowdown. This is Horseshoe Lake. It's in Holton, Michigan. It's one of our most southern trails, so the most southern trail you have in Michigan, like if you're coming up from another state, would be Cedar Creek, which is a 50-inch trail. The next trail, which is SingleTrack, would be Holton, and then just beyond Holton is this trail, which is Horseshoe.
And actually, what's making it a little tricky with how late we're riding it is
now,
these shadows,
if you like SingleTrack, you know, like I said, your two most southern options are Holton and this trail, which is Horseshoe. They're both really good, but I think out of both trails, if I had to pick which one I like better, it's Horseshoe. Horseshoe is a little bit tighter. I don't want to say technical because it's nothing we really have here in Michigan is technical, but maybe just a little more technical than Holton. I'll just say that. But really good SingleTrack, and today we had 8 people riding. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the footage play and let you guys kind of get an idea of what it looks like. And I think this clip I have going right now is several minutes long, but after this clip I'm gonna roll into a clip where I'm following Dave Horn for a little while. He was the guy that introduced himself. He was on the RM250. Super cool, really good on that bike. He kept right up with us, and yeah, it was a real good day. It was awesome to get out on a Wednesday, break up the week, and yeah, it's just a real good trail. So anyways, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video, and as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoy these videos, and I think next year, kind of what I'm thinking is I'm still gonna race a little bit, but I'm also going to try to start really checking off a lot of the trails that I've never been to, because one thing we are blessed with here in Michigan is so many off-road trails, whether it's a 50-inch or SingleTrack. You know, we're just very fortunate to live in Michigan. I've said it before, alls we pay is, you know, our ORV and our ORV trail stickers, and you can ride dang near anything you want all year long. So I definitely want to get out and start adventuring more, because there is a lot of trails I still have not covered, and also I want to get back up to the UP too. So I never did make it up to the UP excuse me, this year, which I was supposed to go back in June and then in August. Didn't make either one of them. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Probably me and the guys will have another trip down south to ride, you know, probably Alabama and Tennessee and everything, like midwinter. And then next year I'm really gonna go 50-50 mix on racing and trail riding. So anyways, maybe might have another video or two for you guys this year, but if not, it's been fun. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for all the awesome comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys next year.
there's a tree there.
in the back a little bit, following this guy on the RM250. When me and Auden were just setting a hot lap, man, he was right behind us. That guy's good. And I forgot his name already because I'm terrible with names. But yeah, I don't know if it will show up on the video or not, but we're cutting a little bit of the trail off to get back to the trailhead because we're running out of daylight. We got a really late start. I think it's just about 6 o'clock right now. And it's 7 by dark right now here in Michigan. It's like October, 13th, 14th.
Follow you back. Okay.
Yep. We're gonna head back, and then if we wanna do that smaller loop back by the truck.
We thought you guys probably already went back to the truck.
Take me.
Alright. I'm just gonna go in chill mode now. We done our roughing around. Just slow it down a little bit, let you guys see a little bit of the trail. Not like I'm fast enough to blur it, but did I get you?
Yeah.
I was trying. I was trying to be a dick.